And mashallah, this is your haram view room. See the beautiful view of clock tower when you are staying in Anjum Hotel. They have two types of rooms. One is city view room, another one is haram view room. So this room is a haram view room, and you can see the haram and Abraj Al Bait, the clock tower, from here. The thing is, you cannot enjoy the clock tower view while you are staying in clock tower. But when you are staying in Anjum, you can enjoy the beautiful view of clock tower from your room. Hi, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu from our Makkah and Medina hotel tour series. Today I am going to bring you inside the hotel Anjum Hotel, which is one of the 5-star hotel located just in front of Haram and in a very closer distance, closer to the new extension of Haram area. Let me go inside and show you the room setup and their hotel services. MashaAllah, this is the beautiful corridor of Anjum Hotel. Actually, this is the model of Anjum Hotel. This is their beautiful elevator. Let me show you the room number 456. Once I enter, this is your bathroom. This is your bathroom amenities, and you have a flower. This is your hand towel, mirror, hair dryer, and you have 2 glasses. This is your shower cabin, and you have 2 towels. It's a quad room. You can see 2 queen beds. The sizes are pretty nice, and here 2 extra beds are added here. One thing I have to mention here, that every rooms they have standard 2 beds, and if you need extra triple or quad, they will add extra beds. So the size of the extra bed, it's smaller than the actual beds. You have 2 chairs, 1, 2 water bottles, and this is your coffee making machine, and you have tea, coffee, kettle, telephone. This is your TV. Room number 447. Once you enter, you will find your bathroom here. Same setup. It's a double room, so this is the actual size of beds. Even in some hotels you will find this kind of beds as a king bed, but here mashallah the beds are very spacious. These are your coffee making machines. This is your alarm clock, digital alarm. This is the outside area of Anjum, and you can see the tower 2 over there. This is the beautiful night vibe of Anjum Hotel. People after prayer they come here and sit and enjoy their coffee and do some chit chat with their family. Now the question is, how do I can reach Haram from Anjum Hotel? Let me show you guys an easiest access how you can reach Haram. You see here the escalators, just go down. That side you should come, and this side you should go from here. You see guys, less than 2 minutes I am here, closer to the new extension of Haram area, and hotel is here. I know one thing, most of you think that you have to come to the Haram through the main entrance of Anjum Hotel. Actually it is far, but they have a close access. They have a passage in the underground to reach the Haram very quickly. So you don't need to go to the main gate and come outside to reach the Haram, but you can come through the passage that I come today. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time in another hotel video tour. Yalla ma assalam.